Hello, if you want to make your content super viral and become at the top on all social media, you cannot not know this platform that I am about to present to you, but is in the top of the generation platforms you have, and in addition allows you the use of the new model Nano Banana Pro Unlimited. Well, if you are interested in this video, continue watching. The platform I'm talking about is Higgsfield High. To access, click on the link that I leave you in the description, and let's see immediately what is able to do. See on the homepage of the platform then. You log in with your Google account, or you create a new account. I log in with Google and you immediately see the advertising message that makes you use Nano Banana Pro Unlimited for a year, and it's a lot of stuff. After closing the advertisement, this is our homepage. It is our work area. As you can see on the top, we have the drop-down menu that allows you, I don't know, as the first option you have image. Here you have multiple functions to create really wow effects that I'm going to show you now. And as you can see, you can create the image. You can create a storyboard using Nano Banana Pro 4K with 4K resolution. You can animate the images and many other functions, in which I will make dedicated videos later on each detailed function. This one here is for the purpose of showing you the platform and its potential. But let's move on. Here we have the video section. As you can see here, you can create videos and you can use various models including Google Veo 3.1, Sora 2 and many other models. Going forward, you have the editor for images, always based strictly on artificial intelligence. Here you can swap faces. Face swap allows swapping faces seamlessly. Moving forward, let's explore TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram content generation. Where can you generate? And do you think about TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts for Instagram, or YouTube videos? Simply upload a prompt or photos and he will do everything automatically. Something crazy and with 4K movie accuracy. Going forward, do you have a built-in assistant? To the platform that will support you whenever you need help to generate a prompt of any kind or any request to include in your projects. Let's go ahead. We have the popcorn function that allows you inserting a prompt or some photos to create a real movie with high definition quality. As you can see here, you have the possibility to manually insert the scenes, to choose the format as you want, depending on where you have to publish it, or let the artificial intelligence do everything by uploading only the photos and describing the context with which you want animal and make them a real movie, and then click on generate. And your photos will come to life. Shown is just an example. As you can see, I used this prompt below. Then you can logically create an audio track to put under it. This is just the example to show you the realism and the power of this platform. But let's move on. Function, we have here the fast apps. Features like Nano Banana Boutique and Banana Arcade offer options powered by Nano Banana Pro. The community section showcases examples by users. where you can download and customize projects as desired. And as you can see here, you have various, let's say, various submenus: Nano, Banana Boutique, Banana Arcade. Let's say all the models based on the powerful Nano Banana Pro, the community section we're clicking on. As you can see, there are, let's say, various examples generated by various users where you maybe, I don't know, there is a prompt you like want to edit. Feel free to download the project and say, modify it to your liking. Platform Me, you can create stunning effects to say, using, let's say, these image functions, you can create things like this. Look, I took this AI generated car and then I did like this one. As you can see, the car is disassembled perfectly in 2 seconds using these image editing tools to immediately try the Nano Banana Pro function. In high definition, let's go to image. As you can see, Nano Banana Pro, we click on it. Here I prepared my own prompt. And I'm going to glue it. You can use it. I leave it in description or create another one as you want. This is quite nice. So I paste my promo, the Nano Banana model. I want the format. Let's go see a bit. I want to put it on social media. So let's make 9/16. Okay, as you can see here, the resolution you can use 1K, 2K, 14K. I put it in 4K here. You can put the generations you want to follow, but I'm fine with me. Let's click on generate and see the result it gives us. On Amici, the generation is over. Look at the realism of this photo. Absurd. Then you can copy it or click download and import it to your PC. This is just a taste of what this powerful platform can do. I invite you to log in and start indulging your imagination. Then let me know in the comments how you found yourself. If you haven't already done so, I remind you to click on the subscribe button and the bell to always receive the latest updates from my channel and what happens in the world of IT IEA. Hello.